Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. And this is it. This is my iPad Pro 12.9 inch and Apple Pencil unboxing and first look. And I gotta start by saying a big shout out here, giving a shout out to my wonderful wifey. I love you, baby, and thank you so much for this amazing gift. I never saw it coming, and here I am unboxing this amazing beast of an iPad. This is the 256 gigabyte version right here, and here is the Apple Pencil that I will be unboxing as well. And these two devices are just combined make a really unique and awesome tablet experience here. And so let's get started here with the unboxing. I'll start with the iPad Pro right here, and you see there's a little pull tab on the top. Just pull that off, and that is kind of the new method of unboxing the iPad Pro here. I'll pull off the plastic here, and talking about the wallpaper first on the box, it is just beautiful, and I really like the way that Apple has implemented these almost like abstract paintings on their wallpapers for the iPad that's here. It's really neat. So pulling up the box, and there it is in all its glory. Oh man, look at the size of this thing. I was going nuts here. I was just so excited. I've been an iPad user for many years, and I did have a 12.9 iPad Pro a number of years back, but always thought it was just too big, and so I am really excited to use this kind of new generation version of it. Let's look at what's inside the materials here. We have the iPad Pro instruction manual in English and in Chinese here, as you can see right there. So pretty standard stuff here in the kind of materials and papers. Set those aside, but I am looking right here for, let's see if I can find them. Where are they? Let's have a look, and there they are. These are the Apple stickers, and these are like XL Apple stickers right here. These are like extra large, and I'm so glad that they've included these in the box there, and they look really neat. So going on to what's inside the rest of the box, we have the USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and that's a first for the iPad as well. And another first is also this charger. Now upon first glance, this thing really looks like an Apple Watch charger right here, but as you see as I open it up, the first thing I noticed was that it is a USB-C charger, and that is very unique in the sense that this is the first time it's not USB-A to USB-C in an iPad. And there you see, looks like this would be a 12-volt charger. I will have to check that out, but that is pretty neat. And here we go. Let's open up the big boy. And so this wrapping is very kind of almost paper-like. It's got a crinkliness to it. I wouldn't be surprised if it was recycled paper of some sort. Apple's really focused on recycling recently. So pulling off the paper, and there it is in all its glory. Incredible. This just looks amazing. Look at that. And there's the lightning and speakers there. This has got 4 firing speakers. There's the Apple Pencil, kind of dock, I guess you could call it, with the Apple logo on the back, and this space gray is looking stunning, guys. There is the camera and the smart connectors for your smart keyboard right here. So let's turn on this iPad, and you see here I'm turning it on, and big Apple right in the middle in this black expanse. What a beautiful sight. But let's get started here with the Apple Pencil unboxing. So we're pulling off the plastic here, and you can see the Apple Pencil has also gotten a major redesign since the previous generation. And there's a little pull tab which opens it up, designed by Apple in California, standard right here. That's right. And lifting the instructions and the little paper, there it is, the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. And my wifey got me the whole setup. In fact, the keyboard, she says, is on the way as well, and I will definitely be doing a full review of the iPad Pro with the keyboard and pencil in a couple of days time. But let's kind of have a look here inside, taking off the plastic and kind of more detail the Apple Pencil right here. Let's have a look, and there it is. And that's the major difference of note here versus the original first generation, is that flat edge there. And it's also got this very nice matte feel to it, whereas the original Apple Pencil was much more glossy. So I'm going to put my information here into the iPad Pro, and let's see how it looks. Voila, there it is, the front desktop, I guess the kind of home page of the iPad Pro in all its glory. I turned it sideways here, and the first thing you'll note when you jump into an app on this iPad Pro, like the previous generation as well, but look at that stunning edge-to-edge and 120 hertz refresh rate. That ProMotion, guys, once you get used to it, and I haven't used it for a while because I had to actually get rid of my iPad Pro, you just don't want to go back. And I honestly have missed having ProMotion on my iPad, and this is going to be a part of my a real toolkit for my channel, guys. I hope to be using this to actually make videos and to actually kind of really kind of be a major tool of mine when I'm on the go for this channel right here. In fact, surprise, this entire video was edited and produced on this iPad Pro right after I finished recording it. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching this. If you like this video, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon, guys, for future updates. I'm going to get this Apple Pencil charging here on the iPad Pro and play around with it. I'm so excited. Once again, a major shout out to my wonderful wife and an amazing 5th anniversary gift here, guys. We just came back from Macau, and I'm so happy to now really just enjoy this. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. Like, subscribe, and thanks again for all your support. And this is Frankie Tech signing off. Y'all have a good one.